Ступи обратно. Ступи обратно.
Say goodbye to that with Tractive. Follow every step and find your dog in no time. Save 30% for a limited time.
Some people like doing things the hard way, like doing their finances with a spreadsheet instead of using Quicken. Quicken pulls all your financial info together in one place and updates it automatically. How easy is that?
These bills are crazy. She has no idea she's sitting in a gold mine. She doesn't know that if she owns a life insurance policy of $100,000 or more, she can sell a lot more part of it to cover for cash. Even a term policy. Even a term policy?
Find out if you're sitting on a gold mine. Call Coventry Direct today at 800-496-9200 or visit coventrydirect.com.
Boys and girls, it's time for suit work, and there's lesson 100.
At Rebecca Academy, our master teachers live up to their titles. Start your free trial and save $100 today.
This summer, snacking just got serious. Introducing new $3 footlong dippers. The world might not be